Morning, guys. December 19, 2023.
Right on Old West Port Road.
So anyway, I got a call from a guy. I recently had done service on this boiler, he said, and we just had a power outage. And now that
In 2 3/4 miles.
after the power came back on, the system won't run. It just clicks, he says. He thinks it's a thermostat, but I don't know about that. He said it just clicks. So we're gonna go over there. I believe it's the A2 burner there. Beckett AF2 burner. The direct forced draft boiler. I believe that's the job. But anyway, he's got no heat. He said it just clicks. So he called me and he said he ran out to get a thermostat. He thinks it's a thermostat, but you know, that's usually not the case. If the thing's clicking, maybe it's not getting any power going through the control or something. We'll figure it out. We'll get it figured out, Miss Molly. We'll get it figured out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Bob. Calling. See if we got any power. Nothing here. This thing didn't trip, huh? But yeah, it's just control. We'll find out if we got any power. It's calling because
yeah, it's calling for hot water right now.
Are you old enough to retire?
Yeah.
I could retire if I want, but I kind of like working.
Yeah.
I don't mind working, actually, you know. Because this thing is clicked out, so it is calling. Let's see if we got... Alright, we got 110 there. L1, L2. Let's try this. Yeah, we got 110. So it's gonna be the control. We fried the control.
Was like when the power comes back on or something?
Well, let's see. I mean, we got no
No, I'm saying like...
Let's see if we got power going into it. It only happened after the power outage, huh?
Right.
Could be the CAD cell. Let's see if we got power. Oh yeah, I can smell the controls cooked. You can smell it.
The electric burn?
Yeah, take a sniff. I got the power off.
Yeah, that's one of those one-of-a-lifetime smells.
Just put your nose to it and take a sniff.
Yep.
Smell it?
Yep. Sure do.
She's fried chicken. So I gotta put a special control on this thing because it's got this it's got post purge. I think I should have 110. Yeah, it has. Okay, it's got the 110 coming in the black. I gotta put a different. I can't put a basic control. I gotta put something that has. Yeah, you know what? Probably got a power surge and fry it, right? The power come on all of a sudden and wham. Just how it is. Unfortunate.
Yeah.
Alright, so the red's coming into limit and the black is constant power. Yeah. Can smell a fucker. Not pretty.
Definitely smell it.
You definitely can smell it, right? It's L2 with the black. Purple is the solenoid valve. Hose igniter. Orange is motor. No, that's not. That's L2. There's another neutral. L2. 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 All neutrals. And I got the red, which is the limit. Limit N is this one. And then the black is the L1. No, the limit is the red. This black, the limit. The red is the limit. Limit N is that one. And this black here is the L1. L1N. So that's switched. That's the way it should be. And then we gotta hook up the CAD cell. There it goes. Okay, and F1, F2 of these two. Fried chicken, mama. Fried chicken. She's fried chicken, y'all. Alright, so F1 and F2. Well, these two. CAD cell. F1. F2, that's the CAD cell. TT, we gotta jump that out. There'll be a jumper here, we could jump out TT. Okay. I should be able to fire it up. I should be able to set it. Barrel solenoid. Yes. Stand by. Off for ignition. Running, no control on there.